Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious stuffed peppers in less than 5 minutes. So first, cut the pepper like I'm showing you. Perfect. Now take some onions. Cut the onions. Now put the onions in a big bowl. Next, you'll have to cut some tomatoes. Do you know that on this channel, you can find lots of recipes from all over the world? So please subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. Now back to the video. Add the tomatoes into the bowl. Here I am adding some already soaked rice. In the next step I am adding 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, teaspoon black pepper, and optionally 1/4 teaspoon chicken broth powder, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 150 milliliters tomato sauce. And now mix all ingredients. Add optionally some coriander for a better taste and smell. Now fill in the peppers the rice filling. Let's make the sauce now. For that, mix half a cup water with tomato sauce. Now, add half a teaspoon salt and pepper. Add some oil. Close the lid and let it cook on medium flame till the capsicum look ready. Then garnish it and enjoy.